What if I told you that you can make a perfect cold brew with a tool you already own? Hi, I'm Liz, and I'm here to teach you how to make the perfect cold brew using a French press and help you enjoy better coffee at home. Let's go! Unlike iced coffee, which is just regular coffee poured over ice, cold brew is made by steeping coffee grounds in cold water for an extended period of time. This slow extraction process results in a coffee that's smoother, less acidic, and perfect for sipping on a warm day. Now let's make some. You're going to need more coffee than usual because we're steeping this coffee in cold water. So my ratio for this will be 1 cup of coarsely ground coffee to 3 cups of water. You can use any coffee bean of your preference, but I recommend light roasted beans. I particularly enjoy beans with fruity notes or fermented processes, as I find you can really perceive the flavor with this type of brewing method. And of course, get fresh beans. Fresh beans are the best beans. Now mix everything in your French press. First the grounds, then the water. Give everything a good stir to make sure all the coffee grounds are soaked. Then pop the lid on your French press, but don't plunge just yet. We're going to let this steep in the fridge for about 12 to 24 hours. How long you leave it will define how concentrated or strong the coffee is. So I'll leave this one for 16 hours so it's not too light, but not too strong either. It's gonna be perfect for the cold foam drink that I'll prepare with it. Keep watching so you can learn how to make that too. While you wait for your cold brew, go watch my other videos. Have fun! Like this one and subscribe to my channel because I'll be making a ton of other coffee recipes that you don't want to miss. It's a new day and the steeping time is over, so you can finally plunge. Do it slowly to avoid getting browns in your coffee. Now pour the coffee into a glass filled with ice, and there you go! You've made your own cold brew at home with a French press. I like to store my cold brew in these cute bottles to save it for later and also to free my French press for a new batch. But we're not done! I promised you a bonus recipe and here we go. Mix 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of hot water. Stir to dissolve the sugar and leave it to rest for a couple of minutes. The sugar will continue to dissolve as you wait. Add 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of whipping cream, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup. Use a frother until it's really foamy and then pour it into your cold brew. It's already looking delicious. Top it with cinnamon, nutmeg, or cocoa powder and enjoy this refreshing drink while watching my video on 5 ways to use a French press. You need to try them all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.